Welcome to another video on how to sign in or log in to Yahoo Finance. I'm Yakin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. To sign in and log into Yahoo Finance, first go ahead and open up a web browser on your computer or mobile device. And now go to the Yahoo Finance website by entering finance.yahoo.com in the address bar. Once the Yahoo Finance homepage loads, tap on the three horizontal lines at the upper left corner and now click on the sign in button at the very top. This will take you to the Yahoo login page. On the Yahoo login page, enter your email address or your Yahoo address and your password one after another. Ensure that you enter the correct password to successfully log in. And finally, click or tap on the sign in button to log into your Yahoo Finance account. If you entered the correct credentials, you will be redirected to your Yahoo Finance account where you can access various financial information, portfolios, watch lists, and more. And if in case you encounter any issues during the sign-in process or if you have forgotten your Yahoo password, there are usually options on the login page to help you recover or reset your password. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.